There was a time when health wasn't found in a pill, but in the rhythm of Mother Nature's prescription. Our bodies were designed to heal themselves if we honor their natural cycles. We were made to move, to play, in water, on land, and in the sun. In all seasons, the hot and the cold power us from within. It is time to reconnect with Mother Earth, escaping the invisible forces draining our energy. True beauty and wellness start from within. Nature provides everything we need to build health and beauty. Nature's wisdom has always surrounded us, yet we lost our connection with its simple truths. The lost medicine is waiting for you to rediscover it. Are you ready to reclaim your health? The Lost Medicine: Rediscovering Mother Nature's Prescription. Now available.